Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Ryanair cabin crew jobs. If you're looking to start a career in aviation with one of Europe's largest airlines, this process will guide you through submitting your application correctly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Ryanair's official cabin crew careers website. Open your browser and type in the address bar https://careers.ryanair.com/cabin-crew/. This dedicated page is specifically designed for cabin crew recruitment and contains all the information you'll need about available positions and requirements. Once you're on the cabin crew careers page, look for the Apply Now button. This button is your gateway to viewing all current cabin crew job opportunities that Ryanair has available across their network. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. After clicking Apply Now, you'll be presented with a list of cabin crew positions. Take your time here to browse through the different opportunities available. Ryanair operates from multiple bases across Europe, so you'll likely see positions for various locations. Each listing will show you the base location and any specific requirements for that particular role. When you find a position that interests you and matches your location preferences, click on Find Out More next to that job listing. This action will open up the full job description page where you can read detailed information about the role, including responsibilities, requirements, and what Ryanair expects from their cabin crew members. On the job description page, carefully review all the criteria listed. Make sure you meet the essential requirements such as minimum age, language skills, and any other qualifications Ryanair specifies. If you're confident that you meet all the criteria, locate the Apply Now button on this page and click it. This will launch your online application form where you'll need to provide your personal details, work history, and any relevant experience. And there you have it. You've successfully started your application for a cabin crew position with Ryanair. Make sure to complete all sections of the application form thoroughly to give yourself the best chance of progressing through their recruitment process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.